dynamic family meeting. Let's go.
Reveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
Hey guys, welcome to my Dynamic Family Mom today, and this video is sponsored by TRIBESIGNS. You guys go to the website right now, TRIBESIGNS.com, and I'm super excited because they sent us their amazing table, and it's so cool. Make sure you stay tuned and watch them because we will be putting it together. We, meaning me and my older sister Abigail. It's been a while, but you guys will be seeing her again later on, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Anyways, before we actually get started into the unboxing, I was thinking, why don't I just show you guys a little bit about it on the website. So as you guys can see, it is called the Mobile C Table Height Adjustable Snack Tray Table with Wheels. It actually comes in, I think, 5 different colors. So obviously we have black, but it comes with oak, gray and white, black, rustic brown, and gray. All the colors do look amazing. Personally, if I was choosing, I'd probably get the rustic brown. The rustic brown, I think, looks really good. You guys can see the price there. It is $110, which you're actually saving $90 already, which is a great discount. And also, we actually have a discount code. You should go down below in the description box to see that special discount code. You can actually pay with Apple Pay too, which is really nice. But they have a whole lot of payment options. I don't even know why I'm going into this, but they literally have so much. They have PayPal, Google Pay, American Express, Apple Pay, Discovery. I don't even know what some of these are. They have Klarna, Visa. I don't know what that is, but that looks so familiar. They have so many different types of payment plans. It's just amazing. But yeah, they have so many different types of furniture. If you guys don't already know, they have organization, budget finder, style, discounted trends, and programs. Let's see furniture. Let's take a look at another one that they have. Let's see home office, because when I get older, I gotta have a nice home office.
You get older, aren't you already?
Yes, no, well, like older. You know, when I'm living alone, my home office has to be so good. Like, it's gonna be my whole video game room. Anyways, let's go to desks, because, you know, who doesn't want a nice desk? Exactly, so I'm talking about the computer desks, like the office desks in the room. They look all on fire. But I'm just gonna take a look real quick. I might need something that has like a lot of cubbies underneath so I can easily pull something out. I like this one. I found something, but it looks really big though. Like, would I have enough space for this? I don't know. But this is the large L-shaped desk, 70.87-inch executive desk. So I'm talking about with 55-inch file cabinets. So as I said before, I need something that has like those cabinets at the bottom, because I know I'm literally gonna have like water bottles, emergency pads, emergency charger, emergency headphones, emergency everything in the cabinet. So I definitely want a desk that has like cubbies or cabinets at the bottom. And obviously, you know, I have to get a nice gaming chair with this. But as you guys can see, this is a really nice desk. They even have videos on how to install it, which is cool. And then this one actually has like a different like multifunctional storage cabinet. So it has like a tower stand, open storage shelves, a storage cabinet. It looks really cool.
I'm gonna check the dining table sets too.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Dining table sets. All right, so we're gonna go to furniture again. Oh wait, no. Yeah, we're gonna go to furniture. We're gonna go to kitchen and dining tables. All right, there it is. All right, there are. Oh, these are so cute. This is actually perfect for like a 1 or 2 people household. Oh my god, they're all really nice. I think I'm just gonna choose this one because realistically speaking, this is probably what I would get when I get older. But it is called the dining table for 6 to 8 people. There's not going to be that much people in the house, but I'm just saying, realistically, this is one that I would lean more towards. I do like the woody, I like the burnt wood looking like type. Industrial kitchen table with metal frame, which is good. It's actually much simpler than it looks. Like, it looks like really cool, but that's actually good because I want it
cozy and simple.
Exactly. I want my house to be exactly like that. I want it to be very nice looking but cozy. It has to be like feel like a home, you know. It can't feel cluttered. It can't feel like, oh, I'm making it I can't make it look too nice. It has to be like nice and cozy. Like when I go in there, yes, I have to like sit down on the first couch I see and fall asleep. You know, that's the type of house I want.
And they have it on this website.
They do. They have all these amazing furniture pieces. So once again,
Tribe
thank you so
Signs.
much, Tribe Signs, for sponsoring this video. Chance, go to the website TRIBESIGNS.com, and I think it's time we go on and put together the amazing table. Alright guys, Abigail's here.
Hey guys!
And now it is time for the unboxing. Once again, thank you so much, Tribe Signs, for sponsoring this video. And
Yes,
we're
thank you
gonna-
so much.
Yes, we're gonna jump straight into it. Alright, so we have our user manual here, so it should be hard to put together. As long as we keep everything organized, we should be good. Alright, already loving the black wood color here already.
Yeah. It's nice.
It's not really no step one though. I'm gonna pay attention to the parts that I need.
We have a little baggie right here with everything we're going to use to build it. Put it over there. Where do you want this?
Yeah, we put that. Nice parts. Our parts have numbers on them. If you see a part that says number 10, that is what I need.
This is a big part. What we call.
Oop, that was another time.
Yeah. We have a wire. Ooh. I've got a charging port over here.
In addition to number 10, I'm also going to need number 12, which are the wheels. So these are the wheels. Alright, while Abigail's unpacking, I can get started.
You need a screwdriver.
Yeah, you're right. I also need to. I can get started with step number 1. Alright. I will. I'm taking out
Everything. That's it.
Alright, it's time to get started.
This one.
Oh, we actually need it.
Okay, look. Unscrew that.
You have to make it tighter using. Yeah, you basically put though. You have to make it tighter using. So let me get the two last.
So this is the bottom of the first.
Yes, so that, yeah. Yes. Here it is. You wanna hold it?
Give them a little demonstration. Yeah,
no,
you
this
have
is
to put
the
it in
drill.
first. No, this. Yeah. Let me flip to the other side. Okay, next we need 3 and 4 G's. This is gonna be sturdier than our last one, guys. Exactly. This is really good. Yeah, that's so hard. Can you find a plank that has a small letter 3? I'll do this. 3. That was faster than I thought. Yeah, can you get D screws? Make sure the bag has yeah. Make sure the bag has a sticker that says D on it. D. As in dog. D as in the number D. Okay, guys. Could you let me put this nails on? This will be that and this. When you go with that. And do you have it? We know. Try it now. I like this bottom. You might angle this weird. I mean, as long as it's tight, yes. And then you can see if it's tight. This plank 3, guess where it's going? Good job. Good job. Okay, D is going right. D, you found it. Great job. You actually got this. Move your hand. If you couldn't get somebody, it's going in this one. And then you can start with this side. It's much easier to this side. Oh, it's going up on the left. So I think it's better if it's upside down.
You want to do it? No, because this thing's wrong. You're gonna have this one. Oh, so that one, wait, that's not the right side. It's this one.
With that,
Yeah, there's 2 6s and 1 5.
two 6s and 1 6. Sixes and 5. see. That might be 3. Oh, sorry, not D. I mean C. B. B, I don't think has a label on it. Has a label on it. Yes.
I like the fact that it's very thick
Yeah.
and solid. It's not like a bunch of small ones.
But we can take these. Well,
I have this one. You don't need that?
Hi, Mama. Come say hi. Why? Don't take it off. We can see you walking on your way. Get close behind Shade. Come, Mama, come. Say hello, Rachel.
Hey guys.
Time to subscribe to your channel.
Guys, subscribe to my channel so I can get 10,000 subscribers.
Yay!
Subscribe, guys.
Thank you, Mama. I'm liking the way it looks already.
I need that one. When you're done with it. Oh, this, yeah.
Yeah, they're all tight.
Okay. Put it down. This is low-key one of my favorite builds. So.
Really? Okay, because it's very thick and dense
Because it's very easy.
and straight to the point.
Yeah.
That's a big top table.
That's the top. Yeah. I can't wait to actually use it with my laptop.
Here, you can count.
No, you're gonna tighten it up.
It's pretty tall.
And it's very strong.
It seems Shale's good at building big tables.
Oh, she's always been very good. But then when it gets difficult, she gets very frustrated.
Yeah, I start crashing out.
Guys, just confirmed when it crashes.
I thought it made my nail fall off.
This is gonna be a long video.
Alright, next. I need.
Oh, you need something? Yeah.
4. I didn't see where the 4 part of that. No, 4 is the 7. Oh, 4's right here.
This is 4. Is there 2 extra ones?
Yeah, those 2 and then I'm gonna do this. And then you're gonna tighten it while I work 4. Oh, sorry. This is the 4.
I did that.
You wanna do it? You wanna do it? You can just do it from there. Look what they do.
Oh, that's. I don't need you to tighten those. What, you want me to tighten?
Yeah. Next off, we have 6C, 2D, and 1, 1. 1. Here?
Upside down.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like this tabletop. It's very nice.
Here? You know they come in different colors.
It's actually wood.
This is like, they have a gray one, they have a burnt wood.
Guys, this is real wood. It's not actually painted. It's wood.
Alright, here, you see where my fingers are? You're gonna go here, and then you're gonna like flip this. With the other hand.
I think we should do this.
Yeah. These are stupid. missing the screwdriver that they gave us. It's really cool. And then do this one. And here, I mean, after you're done with that, what I'm doing is the last step. The last step, yeah. It includes this one. Oh, there's another shelf. Yes,
Now you can raise that up or down. Yeah.
A pull-out shelf. Alright, so I'm waiting for you to finish that, and then the last step.
Oh, this is the last one.
No?
No, I mean like this
Oh,
through.
okay.
And then I can stand up.
Okay.
Okay. Now test the top. Oh, could be tight. Make sure that side's tape.
You make seven. Alright, so the final step is these. And our final plank, which is able to be pulled out. And then we're done. Well, actually, technically we're not technically done because we just have to obviously put this inside, and this is actually so much fun because as you guys can see, you can not only plug in like the main port, you can also plug in 2 other wires here. Maybe you can plug in like a type C or just a regular iPhone cable here or an Android, so that's nice.
On this side, yeah.
Let me see if I can start one.
Guys, you can even like put stuff on the desk. That's like the strawberry ceramic. Nice little,
No, I don't want any scratch. Don't do that.
nice little ornaments.
Guys, don't put that kind of material on it. It will scratch it.
Oh, it's real wood.
Even wood gets scratched. Don't put it on it.
Oh, this is nice.
Wow, you guys are doing a good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. You know what this is?
What is it?
What is it?
I guess.
Yes.
Like a table desk?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, that's tight.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Do this side.
Yeah.
Tight.
Is there anything I can help you guys to do?
We're literally on like the last step, honestly. You can stay here to screw in the final screws.
That's really tight. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's not moving.
How many times this?
It's right there. No, right there. It's been here.
Oh
Inside.
no, I knew that, but oh wait. Oh, here it is.
Yeah. No, I think
Here it is.
you have to open it and then you have to screw
Yep.
each in.
Alright, now you want to the last step?
What was the last step?
Screws. Where's 2? Number 2. Alright, keep passing out.
This?
Yeah.
Hey, you want to stay next to Abigail? Because your back is turned.
Where are those holes?
Move closer.
See those tiny holes? That's where they're going. Show how you do it. See that?
Oh, I never did that before.
What?
This is the difficult part.
It is.
Yeah.
These are like the screws. Alright. So we have, how do you do? Let's take one out. Are you going to be using this?
So how many do you need? I pulled out 4. Okay.
It's going up. It's going up. Okay. Oh, this can come out.
That's cool. You can put like the mouse down here.
Is it close? Oh, no. I think I got something. I don't think it's too big something out there. Oh, that fits nicely even without screwing it in. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. By the way, this is what you just. So, I'm just trying to feel where it goes. I don't see the hole. The hole's really small. Everybody clap it up for Io.
Hey, that's my new computer desk.
Io, come here quick.
Last one?
That's what Io. I got it. Every the fucking. If you come here and hold the flashlight.
Did I just do it like this?
I don't think you hold this down. Yeah.
Are you focus?
Hold it down really hard.
I don't have this.
Let's sound like a doctor. Flashlight. Okay, don't let me bump into it. This is like when you're like braiding your hair and you say not to move. Yeah, tight and good. Oh, you must help me with the tape. Because of the sound effects.
Actually, you want the small fan, Shade?
Next time.
You want a small
Yeah, I
fan?
can hold it.
Where's the small thing?
It's down here.
Oh, you pass it like. And
It's in down here. You can unplug it.
You have other. Yeah. I really like the color of it. Yeah, oh my gosh, with the brown wood color. That's fine. I can't even see the whole.
You can turn it down and maybe push it on Shade's face.
But it's perfect. I was here.
Put it on 5. The highest higher.
Oh, I don't know how to use it.
I bet you turn it on 5 and give it a turn.
I'll hold both of them. Io, you gotta push this down. Io, hands here. Really hard.
Just push it down really hard.
Let me put it down. Not really hard. I mean, watch out. Finger. You're gonna face the forehead. Yeah, get feet on the forehead. Forehead. Hey.
Did I push it down, bro?
Hold on, not yet. Keep being funny. Guys, when you're setting it up, you don't need all this. Oh, you're eating it?
Let me know.
Okay, push down. Not too hard, not too hard. Alright. You can move that fan a little close to the forehead. Yeah, that's good. Got you. Keep it down on.
Did I push it down like this? What if it breaks?
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, the final one. Back here.
Thank you, Mr. Ayo.
Nail. Screw. Hands. Bam. Gloves. What? Gloves?
Today it sounds like she's operating somebody in the in the hospital.
Oh yeah, that is so inside. How did I do that? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Any closing remarks?
Guys, wait. Subscribe to my channel and both of my sister's channel also.
And make sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, guys. And once again, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. The link to their website will be down in the description box. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye guys!
Bye.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry.